She has 5 different poetry books, 4 different drama, and 3 different novels. She must arrange these 12 books from left to right on a shelf. So in total, it's 12 books. Write down the probability that a novel will be the first book on the shelf. Novels, we have 3 different novels. So the probability of getting a novel will be equal to the total number of novel books over the total number of the books. This gives us 1/4. And then when we look at the next question, calculate the number of different ways these 12 books can be placed on the shelf if any book can be placed in any position. So if it's any position, we will have 12 factorial, right? So I have 12 factorial. This will give me so this is about 1,000,000,000. So 479. It's 179,000,000. 9,000,000. I don't know how to call this number. So you have third question. Calculate the probability that a poetry book is placed in the first position. In the first position. And the 3 novels are placed next to each other. Novels have to be next to each other, and the drama is placed at the last position. So to understand this, we have how many positions? We have 4 different positions, right? We have the first one, second one, the 2 middle one, and the last one. Because we have different books here. We have poetry, drama, and novels, right? So they're saying that we need to have first position has to be the 3 novels, right? That's the first position. So it's 3 novels. Then the last position should be drama. So drama, I know drama books are 5. There are 5 different drama books. Oh, this is poetry. So drama, we have 4. 4. So this will be 4. So they're saying something. 3 novels are placed next to each other. Right? 3 novels. And then in the first one, there's an error here. In the first one, first position, it's poetry, not drama. So it's 5 poetry. Then the novels are next to each other. I can arrange them by 3 factorial. And then the rest of the books will be 8 factorial. This is including the novels, right? So the probability of getting poetry, then novels, then last is drama. This will be equal to 5 times 3 factorial times 8 factorial times 4 all over 12 factorial. So I have 5 times 3 factorial times 8 factorial times 4 all over 12 factorial. This is equal to 1 over 9, 9. So if you're confused of where do we get the 8 factorial, right? So you have different books. So it's going to be the 5, right, of the poetry and the novels, the novels, the novels, the novels. It's the novels, right, and the poetry. That's where we get the 8.